Today, I am going to show you how to get the Shopify free trial and start building your online store for almost no cost. If you are thinking about starting a dropshipping business, selling products online, or launching your own e-commerce brand, Shopify is one of the easiest platforms to get started with. The good news is that new users can usually access a free trial and then continue with a special promotional offer for a very low price. So let's go through the process step by step. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech and don't forget to check the description link to get special Shopify offers, because by using the description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, visit the Shopify website using the link in the description. Then you just need to write your email address here and then just click on this next. Make sure you are using an email address that you check regularly, because Shopify will use it an important account and billing notifications. After that, you just need to create your store here. Now here is something that is very important. When you reach the billing section, if you want, then use your personal information here, and there is a skip button. If you don't want to provide your card details or payment details right now, then you can skip it. Now Shopify may ask few questions about your business, but you can skip some of the optional steps if you want to reach the dashboard faster. Once you are inside the Shopify admin area, you can add your store name or you can rename that. You can add product, you can customize the theme of your store and start building your online store. You can add product, upload images, create collections and prepare your store for customers. Now here's something very important. After the trial period, Shopify typically allow users to continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This gives you extra time to build your store and learn the platform without paying the full subscription price. During this period, I recommend to setting up your products, payment methods, shipping settings, and store pages. Try to use this time to prepare your business instead of spending all your time changing design and colors. One mistake many beginners make is forgetting about the end of the promotion. After the discounted period end, Shopify automatically switches to its normal subscription pricing. That is why this is a good idea to review your plan settings before the promotion expires, so you don't get charged unexpectedly. Overall, Shopify's free trial and low cost introductory offer make it one of the easiest ways to start an e-commerce business and explore the platform before committing to a full subscription. That's it basically for today's video. Hope this quick guide helped you understand how to get the Shopify free trial and start your online store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and check the description link for the latest Shopify offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.